Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Monday. And I'm just gonna dive very quickly into the 4 hour time frame. So I'm not really quite satisfied with what SHIB is doing or what the market is doing currently. There's a good chance that we actually start a relief rally, but it all comes with a calculated risk. You really have to pay attention to support and resistance. So today is nothing more than a very simple support and resistance lesson. Okay, so this, when a SHIB was coming down previously back in 13th of June, it actually makes support here, bounced to the upside, came down, make support there, bounce, went up, came here, made support, bounce off, made another support, lost the support, went up, and what was supposed support there turned into resistance. Okay, and you can see that you might be looking for a continued downtrend. The only way to actually get positive, because it is negative, that's a fact, the only way to get positive is you break this line to the 866 or 870, come back to 830, and that will be an amazing entry opportunity to go higher, maybe back up to this resistance, which is going to be the 895. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, Hafiz.